In this video, I'm going to show you how to add profile picture on Instagram. So firstly, sign in your Instagram account. After that, click on edit profile. Now click on change profile photo. Now select from your PC. And after adding, still you can change your photo. So remove current photo or upload photo. So you can change another photo. And also you can add your website. You can give your YouTube channel link in bio. You can add your phone number and you can select your gender. So it's a very quick and easy method to complete profile on Instagram, and we can know easily how to add profile picture on Instagram. Thanks for watching. After all changes, you need to click on submit, and that's it.